Hi and welcome to the class. My name is Mark Lassoff and I'll be your instructor. I've taught a number of mobile app development courses in the past and have worked in mobile app development creating applications for iOS and Android and also HTML5 based mobile apps using the PhoneGap library. I want to tell you a little bit about the course. The goal for the course is for you to be able to independently make your own PhoneGap applications written in HTML5 and JavaScript. You're going to find that these technologies are very similar to the technologies used for traditional web development. So if you are a traditional web developer, welcome. You're going to feel right at home. And if you're coming from another set of technologies, you'll find that PhoneGap is an easy but comprehensive way to make mobile applications. We're going to jump right in with a quick start in which we're going to make our very first PhoneGap app in just a few moments. And then we're going to specifically go over the tools of the trade, what you're going to need to make your own PhoneGap applications. We'll take a look at the PhoneGap templates and projects that you can create using the PhoneGap desktop app. And then we'll talk about testing your applications in a browser and on a phone. Throughout this course, I'll make extensive use of the jQuery UI model, so we'll introduce that as well. Other sections of this course are going to cover UI development, storage of data, dealing with geolocation, media, such as video and audio content. We're going to deal with the hardware on the device and look at the accelerometer, which tells you the device's position relative to the ground. We're going to take pictures using the onboard camera on your device, and we're also going to be able to create applications that include traditional gestures like taps, presses, swipes, and pans. We're going to look at some of the tools that people use with PhoneGap, like the command line interface and PhoneGap Build, which automates the build for iOS and Android. We're going to finish the class by building a really exciting PhoneGap application which uses the Washington Metro API. I think you're going to look forward to that. At this point, you're probably really excited about getting started. So without further ado, let's get started in mobile application development with PhoneGap.